Hey, this is Justin, the Flipping Accountant, and today I'm going to show you how to use the revenue calculator to calculate merchant fulfilled profitability on items. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's jump right into it. So I'm going to start by opening up the Amazon Seller app. So I'm going to click on the Amazon Seller app. Then we need to look at a product page. So I'm going to go to add a product. It's the first line right there in the middle, right underneath global sales. So I'm going to click add a product. I'm going to go to the search bar and I'm just going to type in Lego, L-E-G-O. Then we're going to look at the first listing. So the first listing says Lego Creator 3-in-1 Exotic Parrot. So I'm going to click on that. And as you can see when this loads up, this is the item title at the very top. It has a really good rank. It has a lot of reviews, so this is a very popular product. Near the middle, you can see the low price is $15. Fees with FBA and gross proceeds, Amazon's price in the bottom left-hand corner, the number of FBA offers, and then the number of new offers. The problem is right now it says fees with FBA, but what if we're gonna do merchant fulfilled? And merchant fulfilled basically just means what if I were to sell the product and I were to send it to the customer directly? That means that I have to pay for shipping, I have to ship it from me to the customer. Some people do a lot of merchant fulfilled orders on Amazon. A lot of people like the power of FBA because you can send your products to Amazon and have them ship the product directly to the customer. Some people just like doing merchant fulfilled. So anyways, for merchant fulfilled, where it says fees with FBA, we're going to click 762 fees with FBA. I'm going to click on that line right there. Click on that line. And then this is going to pull up the revenue calculator for this particular product. So starting from the top, you've got the name, the ASIN, the package dimensions, the unit weight, the category, and then the item price. It says Amazon store because you could be in a different marketplace. And then program, Amazon fulfillment. So mine is currently set to FBA as the default. So what I need to do is I'm gonna click on where it says Amazon fulfillment. And then from here, you can see the two different options. It says your fulfillment, which is actually the merchant fulfilled option, or the Amazon fulfillment. So I'm gonna change it to your fulfillment. So I'm gonna click select program. It's gonna change the price and the fees. So scroll down just a little bit, you'll see the item price, shipping credits. So this is if you're gonna charge for shipping, because now I'm gonna have to ship it directly to the customer. So let's say I charge them $5 for shipping. So I'll type in $5 here. So then the total price would be $20.99. It's going to show the Amazon fees as $3.15. The fulfillment fees and storage fees as $0 because I'm not sending it to Amazon. I'm sending it straight to the customer, which is good. But then shipping estimate. So now I'm shipping it to the customer. So now I have to guess my shipping cost. So it's nice because they do have the package dimensions up there. So you could look it up somewhere using like Pirate Ship or UPS or something like that. I'm just going to guess that my shipping cost is going to be $8. Let's say $8 for shipping. So I entered in the $8, but then you also have to add in the cost of purchase. And let's say it cost me $5 right here to buy the item. So then I'm left with a total expected profit of $4.84. Now that's if the item sells for the $20.99 and if, shipping was only $8. So if the product cost more, if the shipping cost more, different factors can really change this calculator right here, whether or not it's going to be profitable. So what if I see it in the store and the product is $10? Then it's not going to be profitable. Or what if shipping comes to $12? Then I'm going to lose money. You kind of have to play with these numbers a little bit to see if something is going to be profitable. Personally, I like to use a lot of FBA, but I also do some merchant fulfilled if it's stuff I want to sell really quick or send directly to the customer. But yeah, you can just kind of play with those numbers and just kind of figure out, what'll be worth it for you. That's going to be it. Just a quick tutorial on how to use this for the merchant fulfilled side of it. If you found this video useful, please consider dropping a like on the video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.